Hi everyone, thanks for watching this week's video. Okay, so this week we're going to be making dark chocolate and raspberry brownies. So we're going to get straight into this. Okay, so we're going to start off with 300 grams of dark chocolate. And we're going to add 375 grams of unsalted butter. Then we're just going to melt this over a pan of water. Just stir this occasionally until it all melts. Okay, so in a separate bowl we're going to go in with 6 eggs and we're going to add 540 grams of caster sugar and give that a good mix up. Okay, and once that's well mixed up, we'll just keep that to the side. Okay, so once the chocolate and the butter is melted, we can add that to our eggs and sugar. Give that a good mix. Okay, and then we're going to fold in our dry ingredients. So we've got 120 grams of cocoa powder, 100 grams of flour, it's plain flour, and 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder. We'll just mix that in. Okay, once that's all well mixed in, we'll just get that straight into our tray. Okay, then we'll pour our mix straight onto our tray. Okay, and I've got some nice Scottish raspberries here, which I'm just going to press into it. Okay, so our brownies have been in the oven for about 25 minutes. So we're just going to leave these for a couple of hours now just to cool down before we cut them. Okay, so thanks everyone for watching this week's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Please give this recipe a go. Also, if you are liking my videos, my recipes, please just give me the thumbs up, and please just don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And I'll see you all soon.